The vast expanse of the world's oceans has always been a stage for power projection. In the modern era, this stage is dominated by aircraft carriers. These behemoths of the sea serve as mobile air bases, extending a nation's reach far beyond its shores. Two such titans are the Spanish Navy's Juan Carlos L-61 and the Indian Navy's INS Vikramaditya. Both vessels represent the pinnacle of naval engineering. They are testaments to their respective nations' ambitions on the global stage. The Juan Carlos I, commissioned in 2010, is a marvel of modern European shipbuilding. It's classified as a multi-purpose strategic projection ship. This means it can perform a variety of roles. It can act as an aircraft carrier, amphibious assault ship, and command and control center. The INS Vikramaditya, commissioned in 2013, is a refitted Kiev-class aircraft carrier originally built by the Soviet Union. It is the flagship of the Indian Navy. It is a symbol of India's growing naval prowess. These two ships, while sharing the commonality of being aircraft carriers, have distinct design philosophies. The Juan Carlos I, with its multi-role capability, reflects Spain's focus on flexibility and versatility. The INS Vikramaditya, on the other hand, emphasizes air power projection. This aligns with India's strategic priorities in the Indian Ocean and beyond. Comparing these two ships offers a fascinating glimpse into the world of modern naval power. It allows us to understand how different nations approach the challenges and opportunities of the maritime domain. When comparing these naval titans, size matters. The Juan Carlos I displaces 27,082 tons at full load. It stretches 230.82 meters in length. Its beam, the widest point of the ship, measures 32 meters. The ship has a draft of 7.07 meters. This refers to the vertical distance between the waterline and the bottom of the hull. The INS Vikramaditya, on the other hand, is a heavier vessel. It displaces 45,400 tons at full load. Its length is greater as well, measuring 284 meters. The beam of the Vikramaditya is 60 meters, significantly wider than the Juan Carlos I. Its draft is 10.4 meters. These differences in size reflect the ship's varying roles. The Juan Carlos I, with its smaller size, is designed for maneuverability and flexibility. It can operate in shallower waters and navigate through narrower straits. The INS Vikramaditya, with its larger size, prioritizes stability and endurance. It can handle rougher seas and carry a larger complement of aircraft and personnel. Both ships are marvels of engineering. They represent the cutting edge of naval architecture. The heart of any warship lies in its propulsion system. The Juan Carlos I utilizes a unique hybrid propulsion system. It combines gas turbines and diesel engines. This combined diesel, electric, and gas codlag system provides both speed and efficiency. The ship can achieve a top speed of 21 knots. It has a range of 9,000 nautical miles at 15 knots. This makes it ideal for long-duration deployments. The INS Vikramaditya is powered by 8 oil-fired boilers. These boilers generate steam to drive 4 geared turbines. This gives the ship a top speed of 32 knots. The choice of propulsion systems reflects the operational requirements of each ship. The Juan Carlos I's hybrid system emphasizes fuel efficiency. This is crucial for a navy with a global presence. The INS Vikramaditya's steam turbines prioritize raw power. This is essential for a carrier operating in a contested maritime environment. Both systems represent the pinnacle of naval propulsion technology. They demonstrate the constant evolution of warship design. Section 4. Aircraft carriers, wings of the sea. Aircraft carriers are defined by their ability to launch and recover aircraft. The Juan Carlos I can carry up to 30 aircraft, including AV-8B Harrier II jump jets, helicopters, and V-22 Osprey tilt-rotor aircraft. The ship features a ski jump ramp, which assists in launching aircraft, and it also has a large hangar deck for aircraft storage and maintenance. The INS Vikramaditya has a larger air wing, capable of carrying up to 36 aircraft, including MiG-29K fighter jets, Ka-31 helicopters, and Kamov Ka-28 helicopters. The ship features a stow-bar system which uses a ski jump ramp for takeoff and arrestor wires for landing. The aircraft complements of these ships reflect their respective missions. The Juan Carlos I's versatile mix of aircraft allows it to perform a wide range of roles, including amphibious assault, maritime patrol, and disaster relief. The INS Vikramaditya's focus on fighter jets emphasizes its role as a power projection platform, designed to secure India's maritime interests in the Indian Ocean and beyond. Section 5. Crew and Complement, the Human Element. Behind the steel and machinery of these warships lies the human element. The Juan Carlos I has a crew of 243 sailors and can accommodate an additional 902 personnel, including Marines and aircrew. The INS Vikramaditya has a larger crew of 1,600 sailors and can accommodate an additional 400 personnel. These sailors and officers represent the best of their respective navies. They undergo rigorous training to operate and maintain these complex warships. Life on board an aircraft carrier is demanding and challenging. Sailors work long hours in often cramped and noisy conditions, and they face the constant dangers of the sea. These men and women are the unsung heroes of naval power. Their dedication and professionalism ensure that these ships can fulfill their missions. They are the backbone of their nation's maritime strength. Section 6. Armament and Capabilities, Tools of the Trade. Beyond their aircraft, these warships are equipped with an array of weapons and sensors. The Juan Carlos I is armed with 4 Faber-Sy Mendez 20mm cannons and 4 Marocca 12-barrel 20mm CIWs for defense against incoming missiles and aircraft. For command and control, the ship is equipped with the Scanter 2007 radar system and the Scomba combat management system. The INS Vikramaditya has a more robust armament, including 24 Barak 8 surface-to-air missile launchers, 6 AK-630 close-in weapon systems, and 2 RBU 12,000 anti-submarine rocket launchers. For command and control, the ship is equipped with the Resistor-E radar system and the Lezarub combat management system. These weapons and sensors highlight the ship's different priorities. The Juan Carlos I, with its lighter armament, focuses on self-defense and supporting amphibious operations. The INS Vikramaditya, with its heavier armament, prioritizes area denial and fleet defense. Both ships are equipped to handle a wide range of threats and demonstrate the multifaceted nature of modern naval warfare. Section 7. Conclusion. National Pride and Global Power Projection. The Juan Carlos I and the INS Vikramaditya stand as testaments to the enduring importance of naval power in the 21st century. They represent the pinnacle of maritime engineering and symbolize the ambitions of their respective nations. The Juan Carlos I, with its versatility and flexibility, embodies Spain's commitment to a global presence. The INS Vikramaditya, with its raw power and focus on air power, reflects India's growing influence in the Indo-Pacific region. Both ships inspire a sense of national pride. They remind us of the crucial role navies play in safeguarding maritime security and projecting power on a global scale.